a rational number which is divided, and we got non-terminating and non-repeating decimal, that is 1 by 7. We got 0.142857 bar because it is repeating. 142857, 142857, 142857. It continues, so it is non-terminating recurring decimal. So let us see now. We have taken one of the non-terminating recurring decimal and how to represent it in the form of P by Q. We take the same example, 0.142857, which is repeating. The decimal places are repeating, that are 142857. So it is 0.142857 bar. So we need to represent this non-terminating recurring decimal in the form of P by Q. We have a certain process for this. Let us take this value and expand 0.142857, 0.142857, and so on. Then let us take this value as x. X is equals to 0.142857, 142857, and so on. And this we can observe the decimal places which are repeating, that are 0. After 142857 and 142857. These decimals are repeating, so this is called period. So period is equals to 142857. And let us see how many decimals are repeating in this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 decimals are repeating. This is called periodicity. That is 6. The number of decimals are repeating, that is 6. So let us take the first one. X is equals to 0.142857, 142857 as first equation. Take this equation and multiply with 10 lakhs. The reason is we have 6 decimals repeating here. Periodicity is 6. That is the reason multiplying with 10 lakhs on both the sides of equation 1. Let us multiply here, left hand side, we get x into 10 lakhs. Right hand side, the same value which is repeating with 10 lakhs. So after multiplication, we get 10 lakhs x equals to, when we multiply 10 lakhs into 0.142857, 142857, then this decimal places will jump to here. Then we get, after multiplication, 142,857.142,857, and this continues, and so on. Left hand side is the same. Then what we have taken x as the first equation. Then after multiplication of 10 lakhs, we get the second equation. And let us subtract these two equations. Equation 2 minus 1. This is equation 2. And this is equation 1. Subtract these two equations. Equation 2 minus 1. Let us see what value we get. So 10 lakhs x minus x, we get 9,99,999. 10 lakhs minus 1x. 10 lakhs x minus 1x is 9,99,999. And here 142,857, 142,857 is the same value, we get 0, 0, 0, all zeros. Then here, there is only one zero. Then after subtraction, we get 142,857. Point zeros. So after point 0 has no value, so let us remove that. Then we get 9,99,999 x is equals to 142,857. That is 1,42,857. So here we take this x value and transpose this 9,99,999, it becomes divisible. So we took this x value, transpose this value to here, transpose this value to this side, it becomes in the denominator. So 1,42,857 divided by 9,99,999. So let us cancel, simplify this. We cancel 3 tables in this board. Then we get here 47,619 divided by 3,33,333. We continue with the same process. Again cancel 3 tables here. We get 15,873 divided by 1,11,111. We got this answer, and it is a value of 0.142857. We represented this non-terminating repeating decimal in the form of P by Q. Non-terminating repeating decimal is represented as P by Q. So after transposition, we got here x is equals to 1,42,857 divided by 9,99,999. So after simplification, we got here 47,690. Still we simplify. 15,873 divided by 1,11,111. After simplification of it, 481 by 3,367. So the value of the non-terminating recurring decimal of 0.142857 bar is represented as the P by Q form, that is 481 by 3,367. Thank you.